Hey guys, Craig here with howtopest.com. Today we're going to give you a tutorial on how to set the rodent bait stations. We get a lot of questions with these when people get them to their house. Sometimes they have an issue opening them up, they want to know how to bait them, they want to know where to place them. So let's cover all of those questions and make this as easy as possible. Two of the most popular bait boxes that we have are the Protecta SideKick and the EZ Klean bait station. These are both great. One is not better than the other. This one's a little more compact. This one will allow you to load up a little more bait. So let's show you from start to finish how to get these things going. Today we're going to use just this die-tack bait that we have. It's not the bait that you have to use. I'm just using this for example. Different baits for different situations. Some people prefer a soft bait over a hard bait. We're going to show you how to do both these. Let's start with the Protecta. When you get this, it's going to come with a key like this. This one, you just have to place it in like the puzzle piece when you're in kindergarten and match it up. Once this goes into the hole like this, I found it easy to hold these up or to even place them against your knee or on a table. You got to give it a little pressure until it pops. Then you go to the next one and it'll pop. You kind of got to manhandle it a little bit until it's been done a couple times to loosen it up. When you open it up, you're going to notice that it comes with the bars, and it also comes with these little tags. These tags are so you can not only number the bait boxes that you have, depending on how many you have, but to put the date on when you last checked them and when you last put bait in them. So, like I said, the bars come like this. Real easy to do. You take out the 4 bars. All you do is you place them in the pre-drilled, pre-molded holes, just like this. When you initially do a bait box program, this would be my recommendation to you. Fully load the bait box up. These already have the holes in them. Every hard bait has a hole in it like this. The soft baits, you're just going to push them down and puncture that right on top of that. But as you can see, this is going to hold a total of 8 blocks, which is great. In the beginning, check these bait boxes after the first week to see what kind of rodent activity you have. Once you get into it a couple months, you can back it off and start checking every other month, every 2 months. And then, depending on the activity you have, just load them up in singles like this. You don't want to put bait in there and waste, product that you spent money on. This bait over time is going to get, weathered. It's going to get moldy, stuff like that. So just put the bare minimum if your activity has gone down, just to make sure you have enough in there in case a rodent or two comes back. And then if you get heavy activity again, start loading back up and just keep doing that process. As far as placing the bait boxes, this is just going to snap shut. And just snap it shut. Always place the holes against the wall. You want to place them like this. You don't want them like this. You don't want them out here in the open. You kind of want them just like that. If need be for an animal, a pet, put a heavy rock on top of it. If you know that your dog is going to drag this thing off or you're worried about wildlife dragging this off. The whole idea for these to be locked like this with a key is so they're tamper resistant. They're not tamper proof. If something wants in here bad enough, it'll rip it apart. But we have had Rottweilers go at these things and they don't get them open. I guess, I'm not gonna say it can't happen, it's never happened to us, but an animal can drag this off, so you don't want that. So make sure you weigh that down if you need to. On the inside of these, one thing I didn't show you that you can also do is you can stake these down. See the hole right there? You can hammer a stake right into the ground with that, and that'll keep that in place also. So it's got a multitude of things you can do to it. It's got these holes here. They're made to strap it around. If you want to take like a zip tie or you want to take baling wire and you want to strap this around, it's got a bunch of different ways you can do this. So whatever works best for your situation. So this right here is the Protect, is the key that comes with this little bad boy. Now let me show you the EZ Klean. The EZ Klean comes with a different key. Same thing, put this on a surface so you have a little leverage and room to work. You'll see the arrow on here. It's telling you that when you take this key right here, as it fits in, you're gonna kind of press down and push that way. So when you put it in, just like that, put it down and turn. See how I'm turning towards, I'm putting the pressure towards that arrow. Then this opens up. And the cool thing about these EZ Kleans, let me set this key down. The EZ Kleans not only come with the bar to go vertical like this, or horizontal I should say, and you can take, it'll come with two of them like this, so you can put one here. Each one of these will hold, if I can get that to slide down, the thing. Each one of those will hold 3 of the baits I just showed you, the bait blocks like this, so you can do 2 rows of them. It's tough sometimes to get 3 in here. It only comes with 2 bars anyways, but here's the cool thing about these EZ Kleans. They come with a removable tray, and not only is it a removable tray, if you'll notice these things right here, these are molded pieces that you break off to now make those prongs. These break off, they slip into these holes, and now you can vertically bait and put it that way. The tray also comes out so you can shake out all the debris, snails that get in there, and it just makes it easy to clean out. They also come with a card. It's a little bigger version of this, so it lets you know where you did it. This one's a sticker too, so you can actually stick this on the inside of the trap. I wouldn't put it on the outside. It does have where you can just leave it in the little cubby like this. The sticker's kind of nice. I'd go ahead and do that. Same bait, soft bait, hard bait. You've seen how you open these. They're going to go the same direction. Hole is always against the surface you're putting it against, the wall. Most of the time it is a wall, behind bushes, stuff like that. It's not that you're not going to have success out in the open. You're just trying to get it where the rats and the rodents and the mice, they just guide along the walls. So this is the EZ Klean and the Protecta bait boxes. If you guys have any questions, reach out to us at howtopest.com. These are really easy to use. We'd be happy to answer any questions you might have.